Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to copy the comments only and paste it in multiple cells. If you see here, there are few data here. So first data, second row of data with comments. So if you copy this data and paste it in any cell, you will see the data being copied and as well as the comments also being copied. What we need to do is we need to copy only the comments data. What we can do is select this particular cell, copy the data and go to the cell where you wanted to paste the data, perform an right click operation and then go to paste special, select the comments and notes option, click on OK. Now you will be able to see only the comments here being copied, not the cell data. You see here, new comments added and the same comments has been copied here. This is how we will be copying the comments only and paste it in multiple cells without the cell data. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tips and tricks like this.